Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang. Poppy's other workshop here. Let me zoom out. Come on. Oh, it is zoomed out. Okay. Have you ever asked what's inside a TCL Roku TV? Well, I had to take one apart because it's got to go in the garbage and won't fit all in one piece. Okay, I'm back. Like I was saying, I had to take apart a Tcl Roku TV because it went to shit. Won't fit in the garbage in one piece. What's inside? I'm not going to show you opening it up because I already opened it up. I'm not going to show you, the plastic screens. They're just translucent plastic. What's inside a Roku TV? Couple of speakers. Pretty nice ones. In the garbage. Cable. In the garbage. Another cable. In the garbage. The power supply circuit board. I know it's the power supply because that's where, right here is where the power cord plugged in. Not worth saving. And don't say, well, the gold on the contacts, the gold wires in the chips. Don't. Do not. Do not. You have to have a ton of that stuff, chips and all that, to make it worthwhile. And you need to get it for free. Even better, have someone pay you to haul it away. Here's the board that your connections all go to. Your reset button, HDMI, another HDMI, audio output, USB, antenna cable, and an audio output. Audio output. Whoa. Again, in the garbage. I don't know what this piece of crap is. Not in the garbage. And we have this. This is the only 3 controls you have on a TCL Roku TV, on the actual TV, is on, off, volume, and channel, I presume. In the garbage. There's a nice little piece of plastic. I might keep that. These are the feet that were under it. In the garbage. Now, that leaves these. The LCD liquid crystal lights. These are probably these are probably light emitting diodes. They're in the back, and they shine through the screen element and the translucent plastic that protects it from your greasy little fingerprints. That's the interesting stuff inside a TCL Roku TV. Isn't that interesting? Well, Good night in California. Stay safe. Wear a mask. Get vaccinated. Socially distance yourself and wear gloves. It's a nasty world full of filthy people leaving their shitty fingerprints all over the place. And even if they don't have COVID virus particles in their shitty fingerprints, do you want to bring home someone else's shitty fingerprints? If you do, I don't want to know you. Good night from California.